Thank you.
Okay. Hey, very quick, I'll give you a water break here in a second. Let's go. So hey, when we leave the floor, you can't come forward and then open. We'll have to, like, it'll make, when we flip this around, we'll set it up, because you can't go across the front boundary line. We can go out the door, but we can't do it by going across the front boundary line and going out, because that actually is a penalty. But if we go out to the side and then out the door, it is not. Don't ask me why. I have it in writing. So, yeah, from here on out, we'll do the exit off to the side, okay? Like I said, next week we'll flip this so that we can actually practice going out this door. We kind of get in the habit of that and how we can do that, so it's not just like we get outside, we're like junior high band out there, okay? Like we don't need to be goofy out there. Now, go grab a drink of water and we'll talk.
You should say something.